Welcome me on. I'm gonna rate a Airbnb that I'm gonna be in for the next couple days. So look, here's the door. Come through the door. Look, here's a swing. Oh, here's a kitchen, fridge. And that's a big old couch. There's a swing. Look at this. They got a swing in the living room. TV, whatever. You're gonna see me soon on YouTube. Dining table, washer, dryer. Oh, that's me. Hola, ¿cómo está? The back porch, the bathroom. This is Tanner's room. Tanner's in there sleeping. Whatever. I don't know. He's doing something. That's me. Oh, the shower curtains. They match my tattoos. That's it. Look. I was like, what? That's crazy. Bless. So, boom. Here's my room. Of course. You know what's on TV. Oh, what is on TV? Oh, it's me. Make sure y'all go to my YouTube. Hey, subscribe to my YouTube. The Family Clown David. It's right there. Go subscribe. Yup, that's me right there. That's me on TV. Hey, man, every time I go to a new Airbnb, I tell the host, hey, can you put on YouTube, my YouTube channel before I get there? No, I don't. I come here and I do it myself. Because if you ain't, you know, that's me again. Hey, have a good day. Yeah, go subscribe to my channel. This is what the video was all about. My YouTube channel. Why? I don't know. Listen to the video.